So bop and box me so. I feel so excited every time I know my man love me. Because if he never love him, who would beat me and do me? So the boy say, that umpire means the approval. That umpire means the my pussy. And him say, any of my kid, well, he might go shot me in my leg and bust up my face. So I know my man love me. And any year man no beat you, do it sex. If no are you.
Yes. So, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. Understand my daily up move. So, what we just saw a while ago was a very sad case of some Stockholm syndrome right there. A woman who think domestic violence translate to genuine love. You understand? And this is not something that is brand new. This is something that we know. You have some women out there that think a man putting his hand on you means genuine love. It could stem from early childhood days. Getting your ass whooped, being told I only do this because I love you. Growing up believing that. And when you get hands put on you, that is seen as genuine love. Ladies, I can tell you this right now, that's not genuine love. Any man who genuinely cares for you will never, ever put his hand on you in no way that causes damage. Let me say it again. Ladies, there's no man out there that would genuinely care for you and put his hand on you and call that love. Any man who genuinely care would, the first thing they would do is walk away from you. Even if they see, listen, we can never come to a resolve. We can never compromise on anything. And what's best for you and I is for us to part ways. A man who genuinely cares for you will do that instead of putting his hand on you. Now, it's so sad to see this black sister thinking that getting her ass whooped means her spouse loves her. Men, make sure you teach your daughters what's right in society. Ladies, make sure you teach your sons what's right. We can't keep bringing children into this world that causes harm to others. Whether it's robbing, murdering, and abusing. That was so sad to see my black sister. And you can tell, like, genuinely, this don't look like a joke to me. This looks very serious. This looks... Come. Let's play it one more time.
So bop and box me so. I feel so excited every time I know my man love me. Because if he never love him, who would beat me and do me? So the boy say, that umpire means the approval. That umpire means the my pussy. And him say, any of my kid, well, he might go shot me in my leg and bust up my face. So I know my man love me. And any year man no beat you, do it sex. If no are you.
Wow. Looks like a joke. And people were commenting on it like it was a joke. That's not a joke. Ladies, if a man put his hand on you, just understand that he has it in him to kill you. Let me say it again. If a man put his hands on you as a fragile female, especially if you cannot inflict no form of harm on him, and if he deals with you like a rag doll, he has it in him to kill you. So stop playing with your life. You understand what I'm saying? You don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Ladies, make sure to wise up. And everybody else, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand what I'm saying? One Nation and Imara Nation. Up move!